Welcome back to the channel, guys. Joseph here with another video for Washpreneurs. Today we have a driveway cleaning that we do annually. We're going to do it once a year for this residential home. Today's video is actually how to teach your best friend how to pressure wash. And yes, you can do it by yourself, but you might want to have that extra set of hands, or that just a little bit of help to drag your hose around and stuff like that. So we're going to teach my bro here, Michael. You already know we live out here.
Yes, sir.
And he's gonna see how it is to pressure wash the driveway out here in this freaking 90-degree weather. It's about to rain, it's hot, the weather's bipolar. So stay tuned because there's a lot of knowledge in here. Like, subscribe, bro. We're on the road to 10K. Take a look at this driveway we got here. Nice and black. That's what we like. Black, black, black. Alrighty. Let me just... How you feel right now, Mike?
Man.
Getting that board clean. Is this what you expected?
Kinda, yeah. Something simple, not too hard. But more of a mental thing.
Yes, sir.